Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about Motion versus Notion. Motion and Notion are two powerful productivity tools, but they serve different purposes. Motion is an AI-powered task and calendar management tool that automates scheduling, prioritizes tasks, and helps users stay productive. It's great for professionals and teams who need structured time management and automated workflows. On the other hand, Notion is a flexible all-in-one workspace for note-taking, project management, and knowledge organization. It's ideal for individuals, teams, and businesses that need a customizable digital workspace for collaboration and documentation. I have created a comparison table for you. If you need an AI-powered tool that automates task scheduling, prioritization, and calendar management, then Motion is the best choice. It's great for busy professionals, teams, and anyone struggling with time management. If you want a flexible and customizable digital workspace for note-taking, databases, and project management, then Notion is the better option. It's ideal for students, teams, and businesses that need a centralized knowledge base and collaboration tool. In short, Motion for AI-powered task management and scheduling. Notion for flexible note-taking and project management. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.